Alright guys, today we're installing the carbon fiber mirrors on the Q50. We got one off already. That's how it looks like, basically stock. And then here's going to be the carbon fiber one, the M style mirror. That's basically what it's going to look like. It's going to be pretty cool. So I think it's just one just sticks on right here. Obviously my dad helped me out here putting it on while I hold the camera. If I had 3 hands, I'll probably do it, but I don't have 3 hands. So technically that's how it looks like when it's on. So it's kind of like a, so this is the before. Passenger side hasn't been done yet. Looks like a very boring car with that on, and then obviously it looks like a real sports car with this thing on. Especially if we got the red sport, you gotta have the sport mirrors on the car. Technically. It does take time, guys, so make sure you have enough time to do this, right? It takes patience too. We don't have a heat gun, so we just use that knife, and so I don't know what this thing's called, but just use that there. Just use a very pointy kitchen knife, really nothing out of the regular. No need for like a machete or anything like that. But yeah, once we get this thing on, I'll just come back. Alright, so we got one side on, looks like an M car. The other side looks like a Corolla. Nasty. Anyways, yeah, so this looks pretty nice, honestly. So yeah, it's before, after. On to the next side. So to let you know, guys, you do not need a hot gun like some other people use it. They just do that so it's a lot easier, but in reality you can just use a knife. And this thing, I don't know what this thing's called really, but just put this knife right in between that thing right there, like right under there, and the thing just works like that. It pulls out honestly just fine. No need for a hot gun. Waste $100 on that thing. It's not really worth it. And just for a one-time use, well, it won't be a one-time use. Maybe you can use things in the future. I just can't think of my mind right now. But yeah, I'm gonna keep working on this mirror. All right, we have taken off the old piece. Don't worry, because the leg does break off on the right side usually, or left side. And you're not gonna use these mirrors anymore. Use these nice mirrors right here. We just stick it on this new piece right here. It just sticks on, guys. So there's nothing like to glue in. It just sticks right on, honestly, and it sticks in really good. You will have a gap. It's really normal to have a gap usually, but if you see it, just stick it in once in a while. And as I will demonstrate. Usually, when you close the door, it does shake, but that's how it is stock too. So don't worry if that happens, because that is completely normal. Honestly, this looks a lot better. And we are installing the right piece right now. But yeah. Alright guys, this is all the materials we used. Just a very pointy knife, kitchen knife, and I don't know what exactly this is called, but the hook, I guess, is a command hook. It's my dad's hook. This is the after result here. Also this right here. So a little before right there, and then there's the after right there. Looks really nice. Alright guys, like and subscribe to the videos I make, and the next mod will be the spoiler. Stay tuned for that.